Ready to take your cooking to the next level? This is the Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Round Dutch Oven, your new kitchen essential. Crafted from high-quality enameled cast iron, this Dutch oven is designed for superior heat distribution and retention, ensuring your meals are cooked evenly and stay warm longer. And guess what? It's ready to use right out of the box, no seasoning required. The easy-to-clean, durable enamel resists dulling, staining, chipping, and cracking, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, the light-colored, smooth interior enamel allows you to easily monitor your cooking progress. Its tight-fitting lid is specially designed to circulate steam and return moisture back to your food, ensuring every dish is juicy and flavorful. Let's break down pros and cons. The pros: exceptional heat distribution, easy cleaning, and a beautiful sea salt color that will complement any kitchen decor. As for the cons, well, this Dutch oven is a bit on the heavier side at almost 13 pounds. But considering the quality and durability, it's a small trade-off. Don't just take my word for it. One happy customer raves, "This is my new favorite kitchen tool. Great quality, heat distribution, and easy cleaning." Another satisfied user shares, "I've been using my Le Creuset Dutch ovens for over 30 years. This one's the most beautiful yet." Ready to elevate your cooking? Check out the link in the description to get your Le Creuset Dutch oven today. Disclaimer, I might earn a small commission from the links.